Hey guys, welcome back and thank you for tuning in. So in today's video we'll be replacing the oil and oil filter on this Corolla 2010. The procedure is standard for the 2009 to 2018 models. So I mean the filter, I think the filter is the same, the everything underneath the car is almost similar, so same procedure for those models. So and before you get on with the process, you need to, if the car was idle, you need to run it, or rather turn it on for 15 minutes to half an hour, so that, you know, when the oil is warm, or rather when the car is warm, the oil tends to drain fast. So I'll run it first and then we can proceed with the oil change. So the things you need for this oil change would be you need this for just to get the filter out. I think the Corolla, you need to get a specific one for your car, and it's on Amazon. So you need this because you can get the filter out without this. You need the washers for the drain plug. You can use the same one for 10,000 miles, but if you have them and it's cheap, we can replace this every time. This is the filter. You need the funnel for the oil. You also need the drain container for the oil and the actual oil. So I'll be using this 5W20. You can use the OW20. So I mean, whichever you prefer. And this brand it was cheap, that's why I bought it. So I mean, you can use whichever you want to use. So I think the car is warmed up now. We can get to it. And of course, yeah, you need the ramps. If you don't have the ramps, you know for sure you'll have to jack up your car and then put them on jack stands. But since I have the ramps, I don't need to jack up the car. So let's get on with the video.
We both know it right away. I came here to party, don't want it to end. Getting real ecstatic, we both know it right away. When I see you dancing, I know you're a 10. It's some kind of magic, we both know it right away. I came here to party, don't want it.
So we have the car all jacked up. So we can put some of this just on the rear tires, just for safety reasons. If the car decides to move back, at least it can hopefully hold it steady. So yep, I think the guy is good. So we need to open the hood up. Yep, it's warm enough. So now we can open up the and you can see, I mean, it says you can use either the OW20 or the 5W20. So you just put it there so you don't lose it. And now we can go underneath and unplug the drain plug and let the oil drain. So on the passenger side of the front, that's where the oil drain pan is. the transmission is on the left. So the oil on the right, transmission on the left. If you haven't watched my previous video on how you can flush your transmission fluid, please just go back and watch it. It's something you can do yourself. So yeah, so this is where the drain, that's where the drain plug is, and that's the filter over here buried. So you need to drain the oil, then open up the filter, let it drain for a couple of minutes, and then refill the oil and reset the check engine light. So before I forget, I need to mention that you need this socket set and 14mm hex, so you can open the drain pan. And it might be tight. It's the first time I'm doing it. I always go to the dealership and they always tighten it up so hard, so might be hard for me to do, but yeah, we'll do it. So
I feel this vibe goes from my heart right to my fingertips. My fingertips. Oh, I need you to tell me now how much you're into me. Oh, right away.
And then open it slowly with your hands. As you push it in, and then when it's almost loose, take it out fast so the oil drops on the drain container. So push it in. When you feel it's almost coming out, so we'll just let it drain for a couple of minutes and so I haven't managed to take out the filter because of how tight it is. So I think I have no choice but to just replace the oil, and I think I can do the filter after another 5,000. Let's bring the drain pan back. Wipe it a bit inside. Then I can replace this drain plug over here. So we can replace this. This is what I had shown you before. So we just wipe the drain plug. put in the new washer. Make sure it's tight but not too tight. I mean, the washer protects it from leaking. I think that should be good. So now the next step would be to add oil to it. Just add some oil here. I think the Corolla, this is 2010, 2009 to 2018, I think 4.5 quarts should be enough. You don't want to overfill it, so yeah, make sure you have the funnel, as I mentioned. I mean, you can do without a funnel, but it just makes it easier. You need a cloth on the side just in case. Next will be to check for any leaks, just so you can be sure that you tightened it well enough. So just go in the car, reset the check engine light. So we need to changes to trip A and then turn the car off. And you need to turn the car on and hold this long presses at the same time, so that's a bit hard to do with the one hand. Hold it. Once it stops blinking, we're good to go. And now we can just bring the car down and check the oil level, and then we'll be good to go.
Tell me now how much you're into me. Oh, right away. This vibe goes from my heart right to my fingertips. My fingertips. Oh, I need you. Tell me now how much you're into me. Oh, right away.
So the oil level is good, no spills underneath. Car is great, just need to clean up. See you on the next one. Subscribe to this channel, like, share, and leave a comment. Thank you.